Okay, the first app is ChatGPT. This app is like an AI assistant that can answer questions, explain difficult topics, and even help you write messages or assignments. It also creates images and converts texts to images, explains school topics, helps with ideas, planning, and learning. If you're a student, content creator, or a worker, this app can save you a lot of time. The second app is called Google Lens. It scans text from books or papers just by you pointing your camera to the object. Microsoft Lens. Microsoft Lens helps you to scan your documents using your phone camera. It also converts them to PDF and it makes your scanned objects or your scanned pages look clean and professional. The fourth app is called Notion. Notion helps you to organize your tasks, take notes, plan daily life, track tasks, and store ideas all in one place. It's a great app for students, creators, and anyone who wants to stay organized. The last app is called CapCut. This app makes video editing very easy, even for beginners. You can edit videos easily, add captions, use AI features, and auto subtitles. These are the five free apps and AI tools that make life easier. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more tech tips and AI tools.